so if you are a DSP engineer, you will stop at here and something interesting will happen. Okay, so I'm going to write this equation now for you. H of z is equals to z plus 1 over z minus 1/3. And then I'm going to use FV2 in MATLAB. And then I'm going to do this. This is 1, 1, 1, representing the numerator. 1, minus 1/3, representing the denominator. And then I'm going to use MATLAB to do FV, filter visualization tools. And what have I just passed to MATLAB? The coefficients of my Z transform. Once the coefficient of Z transform is given to him, everything is given to him, and he can study pole and zero. He can study impulse response. Okay, so now let's try. So I'm here, FV2, 1, 1, 1, minus 1/3. Okay, and now I launch, and he calls his own routine to do many things for me. The first thing he do for me is to plot the magnitude response. And I'm interested only in magnitude. Remember I told you the first answer was 3, yeah? There. Okay? And the last answer was 0. There. And in pi over how many? Pi over 4, right? Pi over 4 is where? 0.25. Here. So I shift this guy around, which is 0.25. And my gain was 2.31, correct? Yeah, that's how I verify. I didn't take for granted that my working is correct. Okay, now what do you see? You see that the gain goes from high to low pass. What else? You want to see the phase? Click in this button. The first button is the magnitude, the second button is the phase. Okay? X-axis is omega, the normalized frequency. 0 to 1.0 times pi. So it's 0 to pi. Okay? So the first value is here. And the last value was, so we always check the first and the last value to see our calculation is correct. And our calculation is correct. So we have the first two buttons done. Third button, plot the magnitude and the phase together. The blue line is the magnitude, the red line is the phase. Then this line, the impulse response. Remember I asked you all to calculate. The first value, H0 is 1. The second value is 4 over 3. Let's see. 1, 4 over 3, correct? Yes, 1.333. Then after that, whatever. Okay, so can you see? Of course, in the real world, we'll never ask you to do it by hand. What else are we interested in? The pole and zero, which is this button. All right, let's see what we did together. I draw a circle and draw a 0 here at -1 and 1/3, right? And now our friend MATLAB also draw a 0 at -1 and here at 1/3. So don't take my word for it. We'll go there and touch. Come on. Ooh. Okay.